Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Kickstarter unboxing to do. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. This is courtesy of GalaxyMan. Thank you guys for sending me this unit to do a review. This thing is amazing, guys. Definitely check them out. Give them some support on Kickstarter. Give them a backing. You're going to love this. Great for hunting, going out in the woods. Late night strolls in the park or on the streets. And also another good thing to have around the house in case of power outages or whatnot. You never know what could happen in these crazy times. But this is coming from GalaxyMan. This is an Omni Laser Lightsaber or Laser Saber IP65 waterproof. You get the whole package with this one, guys. You get the Laser Saber, which does look like a lightsaber. See right there, kind of. Not sure if you could twist. But right here, it comes with a wrist guard so you don't lose it. The battery is going to be in here. There's going to be a green little sticker on it. All you got to do is remove it to get it started. So here's the battery, big old guy, the 3300 mAh. There's battery, and the USB is going to be somewhere around here, right there. You just charge it. Before you use it to go out, give it a full charge. It takes about 4 hours to complete the charge. And there we go. Clamp it down a little. Get this juice rolling. But yeah, definitely it is super bright, so be careful. Don't point it at anybody's eyes or any aircrafts in the sky or any vehicles on the road, because that's a distraction. They could get seriously hurt. You could get hurt or even in trouble with the law. So I would just use it as, you know, supposed to, just to see better at night. There's that mode. There's a SOS mode. Hold it for a few seconds. There we go. There we go. See? So if you got lost in the woods or get hurt, you can definitely just flash it like that. Like I said, we'll go outside in a minute. I'll show you how bright it really is. Look at that. That is cool. I'll shut this light off at least, because it is dark out. You can see the laser. So like I said, be careful, because it is bright. And you can go click back to normal mode. That's how I would have it. And you can use this wrist guard so you won't lose it. We'll keep that there for a second. And now I'll show you how to use this rail clamp. Take the Allen wrench. Came with it. I'll grab it out. Should have had this out already. It's been one of those days, guys. But yeah, you get extra screws in case you lose it. Extra waterproof rings. So that's always a good thing. And down here. Oops. See, this is the slip guard, so it won't slide. So that comes with that. And then let me take this. You know how to do it. Like I said, I don't have a gun or anything like that to clamp it, so, but you know, this is how it goes. You put this one down here. Make sure you pop it in the grooves right there. So this is something different. A lot of other lights don't have this, so this is really cool. Always a good bonus to have with you. And like I said, clamp it on like that. Seal the deal. Make sure you get it lined up right here, right now. Come on, baby. Get in the hole. It's being shy. Alright, hold on. Here we go. So you can see right there. It's going down. It's going down. Make sure you get a good lock on it before you take it out. Especially if you're going bike riding. So you might want to get two of them. You never know. You have a little lightsaber fight, you know. But, you know, check them out also. They got videos on their Kickstarter page too, so it's my version of it, and I'm liking it. Like I said, I had it for over a day now, so you can have it kind of like Sabers. So, like I said, if you're looking for a really good flashlight for this 2023, definitely check them out. Easy to install. Like I said, you guys should know, pretty bright though. To have, look how bright. You can see pretty much the whole house. There we go. Alright guys, here we go. Whoa, look at that. You can see the green. Man, it's super bright. You can definitely see where you're walking. It's a little chilly out. Like I said, it is a laser, so be careful where you point it. Got these sensors right there. Cool, it shuts it off. There we go. There we go. So if you're out in the woods, hit the SOS. Tripping out now. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, I'm cold. Check them out. GalaxyMan. Right down below, links. Right on Kickstarter. They are live. Be safe. Have a good night.